Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I do some lathe work, I do some machining, plastic for a change. I make a little threaded collar for a hubcap for a friend of mine's sports car. I show quite a bit of that. I'm going to do the drawing for the Banggood step drill, which I still haven't tried yet, but that's going to be drawn. I might as well do it now because there's only me here. So straight away we'll put a hand in the bucket, a bit forage about. There's a one. I'll tore the end off. It appears to say Leon Kramer, which sounds German, but you never know. There you go. Right, Leon, all you have to do is send me an email containing your address and I'll post that up to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. Feel free to test it, torture it, and let us know how you get on with it. I'm going to do another draw this week. I'm going to carry on doing draws as long as I've got things to give away, I suppose. I was in a car boot sale with Mick this afternoon and I bought that. It's a little 6-inch Baker spanner, adjustable spanner in fairly good condition. It's a proper one, not a Chinese copy. I've already got two, I think, 6-inch ones. So that's going to be this week's giveaway. If you want a chance at winning that, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email up there. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it up to you free of charge. As I keep saying, it's just a little way of me saying thanks very much for all the help and support I've had. In last week's nightcap, in the second part, my friend Bob came and did a little bit of an introduction all about DTI gauges. You watch my channel, you've probably seen I put 2 videos up this week all about Bob taking apart and cleaning a DTI gauge. Bob's really keen to do more video. He's good behind the camera, really good. So I'm going to carry on, finish the series off, and then who knows where it might lead. If you have any broken DTI gauges that you don't want and you want to send them to Bob, send me an email. Same as if you want any work done, email me and I'll give you Bob's contact details. In part 2 of tonight's nightcap, after the car boot sale on the way home, we noticed there was a tractor gathering on, like a ploughing competition. So I called in there. I had my new camera, which is what you're basically watching me on now. I got some footage of the tractors, the ploughing. There were some horses there, Shire horses. I got quite a bit of footage of that. I want to put a fair bit of that in, just to break things up a little bit. A lot of people don't like to watch loads and loads of machine work. It's a little bit of variety. That's what it's all about. A friend of mine's got a Nissan sports car. That's a hubcap of it. Now he's lost one of these. And what he's done, he's had one made. I don't know who made this, but they've made a beautiful job of it. But they haven't done the threads in there. It's got a plastic insert with a thread in it. So what I've got to do is make a plastic insert with that thread and glue it into there. I've measured the thread. It would appear to be 1.5mm, which I can cut easy on this machine, 1.5mm pitch. He's given us some plastic bar to use. I'll try and get a close-up shot of the thread gauge just so you can see how well it does fit in there. It's quite difficult to show this on a camera. You can see it there, but it is. It's a really good fit, so that's definitely 1.5mm pitch. I'll move the light so I can get a better. As good as it's going to get. It definitely is a 1.5mm pitch thread. So the first thing I need to do is machine an external thread that screws into there, just so I've got something to try into the plastic one that I'm going to make, like a gauge, I suppose. So I'll get a bit of steel, turn that thread, and then we'll go about making the plastic insert and gluing it in. Right, I've got a bit of suitable steel bar here. I'm not sure what this is, but the lad gives it work with a lot of exotic metals and decent metals, so there's a chance to be something pretty good. basically you can tell the way it's machining, that's not made of steel. Right, we've got a centre in there straight away. I'm going to try one of the Bango tools here and see if that'll break the chips any better. Same cut. Definitely better. Breaking the chips much better. Right, that's dead on side, 63 dead. Put a chamfer on the outside edge and machine a groove in for the screw cutting tool to drop into, and then we're ready to cut some threads. Break that edge there, and that one just because it's sharp and nasty. Right, that's a 1.5 tip. Just make sure that's nice and square at the job by simply doing that, taking the tool post up with that, and that's absolutely spot on. I know it's on centre height because I used it the other day and it's not been touched since then. And to set the gearbox up to cut the 1.5mm thread, and then right, it's a metric thread, so I can basically engage the nut any way I want and it'll cut the thread. Just going to put a mark on so I can measure it and make sure we're at the right, in the right shot. Right, that's absolutely spot on. This should be its last cut. Look at that, as if by magic. Excellent. Right, so now we've got a template ready to cut the plastic. This is the Plastic boy supplied. I'm just going to put a centre into it and part the piece off. It should be enough. I'm just going to slow it down because I don't really want that coming back and giving us a whack in the face. Should just about get it, I think. Right. It's actually moving the chuck with us. Being a bit rough with it. We'll put that face in and it's going to be sitting square or more square anyway. Better. Right now we need to bore this out. The core size for the thread. I forgot I've made this. It's a bit of key steel with a high speed steel tip in the end, which is already ground at 60 degrees, so that'll do the job, no problem. I've just set it on centre height. Now I need to set it up so it's going to cut nice and true to the job. And I've shown this tool used loads of times. It simply fits on the tool like that, and that's touching the job square. We'll lock that up, so that's now bang on square with the job, or at 90 degrees to the job. Right, everything's set up to cut this 1.5mm internal thread. A little bit of feed on. Just going to give it a little try. It's got a lovely thread. Not deep enough yet. Pretty good. You saw that was one cut between not going in and being a nice fit. Very happy with that. Right, next thing is to turn down to a D. Careful, we've got plenty of clearance on that chuck. So 1/8mm off it. Set the burn out to 0 on there. 8mm. There's 4. 2 on the side. Bastard. I didn't want that to happen. Right, all's not lost. I can face this off and then bore out that, which I'll have to do anyway. It was a bit of a... not quite thinking what I was doing there, not watching what I was doing. Anyway, there's no real harm being done. Right, we're back on track. I need 4mm going out of there. I hadn't realised that these were different. This is a smaller diameter than the other one. Not to worry. Yeah, that's the one. Right, I've got some twin pack epoxy resin here that'll glue that in, no problem at all. It is quite a good fit anyway. Bastard. Bloody thing. You get some jobs that fight. Well, this one's fighting. Well, it won't win. Right, we'll put a little coat around there. I've used this glue to put lens adapters onto cameras and it's been no problem at all. Right, the bastard will go in. It went in before. Come on, thank you. Right, that's in, that's not going to give any problems, I wouldn't have thought. Oh, you bastard! John, you're a clumsy bastard.